Pry open the edge of the original vehicle's cover with a pry bar and remove it. Then snap the two-hole washer into the buckle with the raised side facing inward. Attach dumping foam to the upper bracket as shown. Need to cut by yourself. Align all holes, fix the upper bracket to the roof panel with screws, and tighten with M4 wrench. Ignore this step if no roof panel. Put a spring washer onto the special long screw, then fix the bracket to original vehicle's hole positions. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. Pry open the cargo cover buckle with a pry bar, and remove the original vehicle's screws using T30 style socket wrench. And align the passenger's side or front bracket with the installing position. Be sure to clean the mounting area with adhesion promoter. Peel off the adhesive backing. And slide the aluminum wad onto the back of the bracket's hole positions. Compare with the passenger's side or rear bracket with the installing position. Ensure the edge of the bracket lines up with the position shown in the picture below. Be sure to clean the mounting area with adhesion promoter. Peel off the adhesive backing. Align the bracket correctly, then stick it on and press firmly repeatedly to secure it tightly. Install the side panel. Slide all screws onto it. Please fully tighten the two lower screws at first. Ensure the edge of the lower bracket is flush with the side panel. Attach dumping foam between the holes on both sides of the roof panel. The foam needs to be cut by yourself. Align the roof panel with the reading light opening. Install the roof panel, and slide the screws onto both sides. Adjust both sides of the roof panel upward to leave a gap of approximately 1 mm from the ceiling. Be ensure the distances on both sides are the same. Then fully tighten the special screws with M5 wrench. Tighten fully all the screws with M4 wrench. Align the storage box cell bracket with mounting position, as shown in the yellow arrow. One, assemble the trunk shelf as shown in the video. 2. Two crossbars double-sided with hoses installed on left and single-sided with hoses on right as video shows. 3. Crossbar single-sided with hose, the side with hose face downwards. Insert the screws. Do not tighten the screws right away. Make sure the screws are in the center position of the hole. For crossbar double-sided with hose, one side with hose face down and the other side with hose face to trunk shelf hose. Ensure the holes will line up with each other before tighten the screws. Five. Crossbar double-sided with hose, one side with hose face down and the other side with hose face to trunk shelf hose. Ensure the holes will line up with tighten each other before tighten the screws.